Turkey has recently added 2 new ATR-72 Maritime patrol aircraft, known as the P-72 in Turkey. This is an addition to enhance naval air defense capabilities within the framework of the MELTEM-III program of the Turkish Navy. The MELTEM-III program, covering the procurement of a total of 6 ATR-72 aircraft and their modification into anti-submarine warfare configuration for the Turkish Navy, was signed between Alenia Air SPA and Turkish Aerospace in July 2012. The first ATR-72-600 aircraft arrived at Turkish Aerospace facilities in April 19, 2013. Within the program's framework, as the main subcontractor of Alenia, all modification activities will be carried out at Turkish Aerospace facilities. Built based on the ATR-72-600 platform, the ATR-72 Maritime Patrol serves as a low-cost, consistent, sea surface surveillance platform for military forces across the world. Turkish maritime patrol and anti-submarine warfare aircraft are designated ATR-72 TMPA. It is a special version of the ATR-72 turboprop aircraft made by the French-Italian ATR joint venture. The typical missions of this version include vessel search and identification, search and rescue, drug, smuggling and piracy control, environmental control, maritime control drones, economic exclusive zone patrol, and anti-submarine warfare. The ATR-72 has a length of 27.70 meters, a wingspan of 27 meters, a width of 2.57 meters, a height of 7.65 meters, an empty weight of 13.3 tons, and a maximum takeoff weight of 23 tons. It was powered by 2 Pratt & Whitney Canada PW127M engines with 2,475 horsepower each. The ATR-72 has a cruise speed of 510 km per hour, a range of 1,528 km, a surface ceiling of 7,600 meters, and a rate of climb of 6.88 meters per second. The 6 ATR-72 TMPA are designed as multi-role assets to satisfy the Turkish Navy maritime patrol requirement. The aircraft will see the integration of the Thales, a mass-course mission system, and will include new functionalities such as AIS, Link 16, and the latest generation weapon systems like the Mark 54 lightweight torpedo. The AMACOS mission system, or Airborne Maritime Situation and Control System. This system relies on multiple sensors to detect, identify, and track threats, maintain real-time tactical situation awareness, manage NATO and national tactical data links, and deploy onboard weapon systems. The new ATR-72 can also be reconfigured with different systems and missile armaments to carry out anti-ship missions. My video about the Turkish ATR-72 Maritime patrol aircraft answer. Thank you for watching. If you find this video interesting, please give me your thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to support the channel. Goodbye and see you again in the next videos. Tạm biệt và hẹn gặp lại quý vị và các bạn trong các video tiếp theo.